Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. This week we are doing 2 Corinthians 5:21, which is absolutely one of my favorite verses, especially when it comes around Easter. And there's also sums to me the gospel up. For our sake he made him to be sin who knew no sin, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God. So a fantastic verse to memorize. So we're going to put that behind the daily section, so you're going to concentrate on that for the day next week. Your old daily verse you're going to put in your even section. Your old even verse you're going to put in your odd section. And your old odd verse you're going to put into the weekly section. I think last time we did Thursday. Let's see. Yeah, let's do Friday. So I'm going to put in Friday, my old Friday verse. I'm going to put into the monthly section. I've realized actually in the beginning I don't have so many verses. So I think I'm going to put it behind the second. But you can obviously put it wherever you want. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to go to my book. And I'm going to memorize this verse. And yet again, I have started memorizing it about 3 years ago, or started reviewing it a few years ago. So I'll just continue here because I know this verse fairly well. So I'll just continue practicing it down here. By the way, if you want to pick up these printables, which you can decorate your book with, you can, I will link it down below. As I said, this is the sort of the vibe that went with this when I designed this printables 3 years ago. But if you don't want to, that's fine. Also, keep practicing, and yeah, and obviously with the free printable, you can make yourself a box like that, and you get the receipt, the review sheets and practice sheets also. You must have a very blessed day. God bless. Bye-bye.